If you are struggling in getting your desired score in the writing section of PT, probably there's a high chance you're not doing the writing task of write essay properly. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Make sure you save this video and watch it till the end. Now, the task of write essay contributes roughly 10 to 11 points out of 19 to the writing score if you get one essay. And there is a chance you could also get 2 questions. If you follow my template, you will surely get a very high score. But gone are the days of the past when people used to get a very high score using a fixed template. A fixed template means you don't use your brain, you just follow the template and just write some keywords on your own. You won't get a high score for sure. Now listen to me carefully. What you need to do to get a high score in write essay is write a couple of compound and complex sentences. I'll show some examples of how to frame such sentences. And in these sentences, you need to write content which is related to the topic, plus you need to use academic vocabulary, plus you need to use a few academic collocations. Collocations are really important along with phrasal verbs to get a high score and to convince the software that you are good at academic vocabulary. One construct can be like this. One sentence, for example, can be like this. On the one hand, comma, many proponents claim that although, so after although you write a positive sentence, put a comma and then write a tone changing sentence. I'll give an example now. On the one hand, comma, many proponents claim that although artificial intelligence enhances the use of plagiarized content, comma, at the same time it can also lead to detecting anomalies in writing essays. So after the comma, you write a slightly tone changing sentence. I'll give one more example. On the other hand, many opponents argue that although using artificial intelligence can increase the chances of getting students who copy in the tests caught, comma, it also leads to saving time in completing assignments. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm creating very lengthy sentences using the word although. The other words which you can use to create lengthy sentences are words like which, before which always put a comma, because, and also as. So comma, as. So as is used for reasoning, because is used also to continue an explanation, and which is used to support or continue the word which is before which and after the comma. So try to write such sentences. They are very helpful. Other than that, you have to be very careful in summarized spoken text as well. If you make mistakes in summarized spoken text, there is a high chance that if it's a spelling mistake or a grammatical mistake, you will lose 3 to 4 points in writing. The last 2 very important tasks from the listening section which contribute to the writing score are listening fill in the blanks, which ideally should be 100% accurate, and write from dictation, which should also be 100% accurate. If possible, please do not add any extra words in write from dictation. That may reduce your writing scores. Lastly, try your best to increase your accuracy in reading writing fill in the blanks, which are drop down fill in the blanks in the reading section. This task easily contributes 20 to 22 points to the writing score in the PT test. If you're looking for assistance to clear your PT, IELTS or NAATI CCL test, make sure you contact us. Our numbers are mentioned in the comment section. I'm Malcolm from One Australia Group. Thank you.